Hello there. So for this video, let's talk about how to play with your friends using this game Real Racing 3. How awesome, right? It's really realistic. Well, on the way, let's go to the tutorial right now. So step 1, launch the game itself, the Real Racing 3. Open the game on your device. Usually this should be on your mobile device or tablet. Sign into Facebook or Apple. It's really important to sign into Facebook or Apple account, so you can see your friends on Facebook and Apple account on this game itself. Step number 3, that should be add your friends. In the main menu, tap on the friends icon and connect to your account. Usually this can be found on the lower left section. Step number 4, go to the online multiplayer. Tap on the multiplayer options. It's under the online section on the upper right section for now. Step number 5, that will be join the same event or series. Basically, you should now synchronize yourself the way you join the events. Join at the same time. And as of now, just enter the race. So good luck to your friends and you, and have some fun.